Three.
Three? Just come right to the sleep here. Go to the next lipstick on the ground.
And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked, then we saw him step in on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Let that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out. Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish. With a game up with a fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat. Woo! 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 Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. I will pick up the book. You will see something new. I call them thing 1 and thing 2. They are tame. Oh, so tame. They have come here to play. They will give you some fun on this wet day. No, not in the house.
Said the fish in the pot.
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of thingone.
Net. I bet with my net I can get those things yet.
Oh dear, you did not like our game. What a shame. What a shame. So cheap and so cold, we cannot pick it up. There's no way at all. I will show you another trick that I know. Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
Tell me, what did you do?
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? Now what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?